You're good, bro. You're good.
Yes.
That's lit that you have the Discover Pass too.
I know. Let's go ahead and switch over to our little off-road map here. Let's see, offline maps. Wow, I got everything right there.
Drive carefully.
Fuck no. Yeah, safety first, Jimmy.
Yeah, just making sure. Does this window roll all the way down?
Yes.
I'm learning the cars here.
Jeep things.
Jeep things.
This has got to go. For whatever reason. This is going to be in my way.
One more time. All right. Yes, sir.
Wonder what the big deal is. It broke my fucking rain gutter. It broke my fucking rain gutter.
Oh, they really did break your rain gutter.
How the fuck does that just pop on there? Damn tree took my shit out. Just driving around looking goofy. Yeah, we might go ahead and look at what these look like. I did want to hit this one because this one looks like it branches out to a lot.
A lot, yep.
Watch the seatbelt there. So this doesn't look too bad. What's that way? Oh.
I kind of want to find out what that way is.
Oh, I see. Oh, Lord.
Oh, that's a bigger.
There's a lake.
We're not making it through that shit. This is just the first one, though.
Yeah, I know. I know. We'll get there. We'll get there. One thing at a time.
Yeah, because once we get past this, we either gotta go back through it, and the second one's gonna be fucking bigger. I think it's maybe 6 inches deep. 6 to 8.
Yeah. Ooh.
That's the only thing.
We'll be fine. There we go.
Doing good.
Time.
Let's go. That was sick.
Hell yeah.
My feet are wet. That was hella sick.
Wham, 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 wham.
Because you were literally facing straight up.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, just casually fucking doing this shit. Watching. What's up? Oh, yeah. Buddy, we reeling right now. Let's go, baby! Yeah, let's go. Oh, there's a big rock. Alright, shit. We lost our momentum. Let me get the wood.
So you want to keep going? Or you want to go back down?
I don't think it's really safe to reverse down that. But we can try it.
Look out. Okay, let's start sliding down. Watch out. In case I start sliding down.
You're good, bro. You're good.
Sorry, watch out, watch out, watch out. Sorry. sorry. Bro, my boots are big as fuck. I got a left foot brake.
You're good. There's been a lot closer calls on that. I'm trying to think of something. I think if we put a rock behind the passenger rear wheel, we could stop that wheel from moving. We could maybe spin the fucking Jeep around. If we don't slip down this thing. All right. Yep, keep coming back. Keep coming back. Yep. You're gonna have more traction in the grass. I'm getting back in the car. Yeah.
Especially because I almost ran you over.
This cat has what's everywhere. Stay in here in case this wants to slide randomly.
He's moving whole shrubs. And this is why I didn't want to go by myself. through this. After I didn't make it all the way up. That was fun. Definitely need a bigger wheeler.
Or less rain.
And less air pressure.